In this video, you'll learn how to build microservices using Claude Code. This guide explains how to set up your project in Visual Studio Code, generate microservices, and run them effectively. To begin, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once the application is launched, access the terminal by pressing Ctrl and the backtick key simultaneously. This action opens a terminal window at the bottom of your VS Code interface. Next, create a main folder for your microservices project. Type mkmdir my_microservices into the terminal and press enter. After the folder is created, navigate into it by typing cd my_microservices and hitting enter. This command ensures you are working within the correct directory. Now, within the my_microservices folder, you will create individual folders for each microservice. Type mkmdir users_service products_service and press enter. This command generates 3 separate folders, each designated for a specific microservice. Once the folders are created, you can begin generating each microservice using Claude Code. Open the Claude Code panel within Visual Studio Code. In the input area, enter the command to generate a Node.js Express microservice called users_service. Specify that it should have endpoints for /users with get and post methods, utilizing simple in-memory storage, and ensure it is ready to run on Windows. Claude Code will then generate boilerplate code for your users_service. You should see a file path like /users_service/services/server.js quote appear along with the code necessary to set up the service, including the express setup in-memory array for users and the defined endpoints. After generating the user service, you will need to repeat the process for the product service. Prompt Claude again with a request to generate a products_service Node.js Express microservice, this time including endpoints for /products with get and post methods. Once generated, you will receive a similar code structure for the product service. With both microservices generated, it's time to run them, navigate into each service folder using the terminal. For the user service, type cd users_service and press enter. Then run the service by typing node server.js quote and pressing enter. Repeat this for the product service by navigating to its folder and executing node server.js. Each service should indicate that it is running on its respective ports. You can access the users service at http://localhost 3001 users and the product service at http://localhost 3002 products. Testing these endpoints can be done using tools like Postman or the VS Code REST client extension, allowing you to verify that the services are functioning correctly. Claude Code significantly streamlines the microservices building process by generating server boilerplates for each service and adding essential endpoints. It can also assist in creating inter-service calls, generating test data, and maintaining modularity among services. You can prompt Claude with requests such as add a delete endpoint to users_service or make orders_service call products_service to check stock. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.